Hi everyone, today we are going to make these beautiful daisy flowers, and you can see they are very simple to make as they are just stacked layers. To start this project, now I will go to new project on my Cricut design space, upload the design and click upload, and then I have put this on my desktop. I have found it. Now I will upload, and you can see this here in recent upload areas, and in this little circle you will see which file is selected. Now this flower is just 1 into 1 inch. This is how I designed it for use on greeting cards. Now I will ungroup the layers and separate the layers. So I want all these flowers to cut in one color and the center cut in separate one color. So the color uh, makes you choose the mats. So I just want two mats. So and now it is asking how will you load all of your material. So I have a 12 into 12 inch mat, and there I am going to upload. And now this is I want multiple copies of this project, so I will simply use this and apply, and I need 3 sets of flowers, and this is just me. I'm putting this inside the material because if material lifts from corner, my flower will not be cut easily, and I know I have 11-inch wide material for both, so I am putting this cut files inside the material, and this is how I'm attaching my material to my Cricut mat. Now this is a standard grip mat. I have slowed down the video, and this is a real-time video actually. So you can see here how I'm using this brayer. This instrument is called brayer, and this is a very important step, so to show that how to attach your material properly on the cutting mat, because this is where all the cutting will happen. If this material is not attached properly, the material will lift and your files will not cut easily, and the cutting parts are all inside this material. Now machine is asking me to load, and you can see this button blinking. So now I will load my material. Very light, it's a very light cardstock. So now machine will first measure the mat, therefore you need space behind your machine, and now it will tell me to go, and this, you can see this button is blinking. This means go. So now machine will start cutting, and you can see this machine is cutting my flowers. It is taking its time, and now I will cut my other color cardstock, which is for the centers. So this is how long it takes to cut all the files. And now our files are cut, and you can see now I'm bending my mat and taking my flowers out. I'm not pulling them out or bending the cardstock. Now I will do the audit. Now I wanted 3 sets, so this is how I proposed this design: 3 petal layers and 1 center. So this is my design, and you can multiply it and make as you want. And this is a new tool I bought. It's called stylus, ball head stylus. So this is a new tool which I bought, and I'm just using palm of my hand to shape this little flower, and I will do same for the 3 petals, you can see. And one more thing, that these instruments I have collected over a long time. So for starters, you can always shape it by hand, and if you don't want to do it on your palm, then I just used a tissue paper, folded it and made it into a pad, and now I'm using it. And lastly I will shape my center, and you can see this is a little part, so, and my hands can handle it easily. And now I will just use a simple UHU glue to put this, to assemble this flower, and then stack these layers on one another. It is a very simple design. I will just like to alternate here uh, and give it some organic shape, and then stack this flower over, stack these layers over one another. I made this design especially for people who have hands like me, who like the function of the like who are tired, or like it's not easier for them to work and their hands are shaky, so they can put this flower together very simply, easily. Especially children can do it. And if you, and please use all the tools that are available to you. And because people who work, like I'm using this very small like this, I'm using this tweezer to handle this small part. I have put the glue behind it, and I will now, with the help of a tweezer, now this tweezer has a lock. This is amazing. So use these instruments to help you with your crafting, and this flower is done. So now I will speed up the video, show you assembly of more flowers. And thank you very much. The link of this file is in the description, and please leave comments and tell me how easy for you to make this simple flower. Thank you.